pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
sad cakes. For this you will need some pastry of any kind, short crust, flaky, rough puff, even hot water pastry. Some dried fruit or cherries, whatever you want. Some sugar and some flour for the board. Flour the board, flour the mat, whatever you want. Roll out the pastry. Put the fruit in the pastry. Fold the pastry over itself. And roll it to seal in the fruit. Cut into rounds with a pastry cutter. Place on a baking sheet. Roll up what's left in a bowl. And roll it out again until you've got no pastry left. Dust the pastry with sugar. Roll it on itself. Roll it out. Cut the rounds. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. This one, I think. That one was very flaky. I'll try another one. They're not bad. Quite good enough for the servants, I should think. Yes.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.